In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a back icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful design trick, whether you're building a mobile app, a website interface, or just need a clean navigation icon for your mockup. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to draw, adjust, and resize a back icon inside Figma. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Figma and design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma design file. Once you're inside the canvas, look down at the bottom toolbar. This is where Figma keeps most of the shape and drawing tools you will need for simple icons and interface elements. Click the Shape tool dropdown, and from the menu, select the Arrow tool. This is the tool we'll use to create the back icon shape. Now, here's the important part. To make a back icon, you want to start dragging your cursor from right to left. That direction creates the arrow style that looks like a back button, which is commonly used in navigation layouts and user interfaces. As you drag, keep your movement smooth so the icon stays clean and balanced. Once you've drawn the arrow, press Escape on your keyboard. That will let you exit the drawing mode and return to normal editing so you can make any adjustments if needed. Now that the back icon is created, you may want to resize it to fit your design. To do that, click on the shape to select it, and then drag the corner or side handles until it matches the size you want. This is helpful if you need a larger icon for a mobile header or a smaller one for a compact interface. You can also reposition it after resizing to make sure it lines up perfectly with your layout. And that's it. You've successfully created a back icon in Figma. It's a simple technique, but it can save you time anytime you're designing navigation elements or interface components. If this video was helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.